The outdoor smartwatch world is abuzz with whispers of Garmin's next big release, the Instinct 4X. While there's no official confirmation yet, the speculation is electrifying. What could Garmin bring to the table with this new iteration of its rugged adventure watch? Let's explore the possibilities by examining its predecessor, the Instinct 3, and identifying areas where improvements could truly shine. The Instinct 3 earned its stripes as the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed with hikers, runners, and adventurers in mind, it boasted durable construction, reliable GPS tracking, and a solar charging feature that extended its battery life. For those navigating dense forests or scaling rugged mountain trails, it was the perfect tool. Yet, the Instinct 3 wasn't without flaws. Its GPS accuracy sometimes faltered in urban settings, and the monochrome, transflective display, while excellent under sunlight, felt dated to some users. Moreover, its smartwatch features, compared to Garmin's other lines, were somewhat limited. These shortcomings leave plenty of room for the Instinct 4X to elevate the experience. The solar charging capability of the Instinct 3 was a highlight, but it wasn't infallible. Could the Instinct 4X push solar efficiency further? A longer-lasting battery would solidify its status as the go-to device for adventurers spending days or weeks off the grid. While the Instinct 3's multi-band GPS was robust, occasional tracking drifts left room for improvement. Enhanced algorithms and superior satellite connectivity could make the Instinct 4X a gold standard for navigation, even in the most challenging terrains. Garmin could make the Instinct 4X a hybrid powerhouse by introducing smarter integrations. Features like better app compatibility, on-screen notifications, or even a touchscreen option might broaden its appeal, making it more versatile for everyday wear. Garmin could surprise us with entirely new features. Imagine an integrated flashlight like the Fenix series, a feature that's invaluable for campers and night hikers. Or consider onboard color mapping for easier navigation, an upgrade from the breadcrumb-style maps of previous models. With the Instinct 3 offering heart rate and sleep tracking, the Instinct 4X could up the ante. More precise sensors for SpO2, stress tracking, or even advanced body recovery insights could make it a comprehensive health tool. Garmin's Instinct series is synonymous with toughness, but a refined design might attract a broader audience. Could we see a slimmer profile, or even a titanium-cased variant? These changes could blend adventure-ready durability with everyday wearability. Not all advancements come without trade-offs. Introducing premium features might push the Instinct 4X into a higher price bracket, alienating fans who love the series for its affordability. Additionally, Garmin's history of firmware glitches raises concerns about stability. If bugs compromise battery life or tracking at launch, it could tarnish its reputation. Another question is whether Garmin will lean towards an incremental upgrade or a revolutionary leap. While small tweaks might improve functionality, the excitement lies in significant changes that redefine what an outdoor watch can do. The anticipation surrounding the Garmin Instinct 4X is undeniable. As speculation builds, it's clear that Garmin has the opportunity to craft an adventure watch that not only addresses the shortcomings of its predecessor, but also sets a new standard for rugged wearables. Whether it's groundbreaking battery life, pinpoint GPS accuracy, or unexpected features like onboard mapping and integrated flashlights, the Instinct 4X has the potential to be a game changer. However, Garmin must tread carefully, balancing innovation with affordability and reliability. For now, we can only wait and hope that Garmin surprises us with a product that lives up to the hype. If they hit the right notes, the Instinct 4X could become the ultimate tool for adventurers, explorers, and anyone who demands the best from their gear. Let us know in the comments, what features are you hoping to see in the Garmin Instinct 4X?